There are three main ways of writing numbers. We could also write numbers using what's called the expanded form, which is also called as the expanded notation, which indicates the place value of each digit in a number. In order for us to write the expanded form of a number, we have to know the digits, their place values, and finally, their actual values. In order to write the expanded form of a number, we show that we are multiplying the digit by the place value, which gives us the expanded form of each digit's value. So for the digit 4, for example, which is in the ones place and has a place value of 1, so to show the expanded form of the value of this digit, we have the digit and the place value, which gives us a total value of 4 for that digit. For the digit 9, in the tens place, which has a place value of 10, so we show that the digit 9 is multiplied by the place value, which gives us a total value of 90. And then we have the digit 8, which is in the hundreds place, and it has a place value of 100. So the expanded form is we show the digit 8 multiplied by the place value, which gives us a total value of 800. And we have the digit 2, which is in the thousands place and has a place value of 1000. So the expanded form is the digit multiplied by the place value, which gives us a value of 2000. Next, we have the digit 7, which is in the 10,000s place, and we multiply the digit by the place value, giving us a value of 70,000. Next is we have the digit 6, which is in the 100,000s place, and the place value is 100,000. So multiplying the digit by the place value gives us a value of 600,000. And last is the digit 1, which is in the millions place and has a place value of 1 million. So multiplying the digit by the place value gives us a value of 1 million. Notice that the sum of the values of each digit in the number gives us the number itself, which is 1,672,894.